What is a Gold IRA and how does it work? A Gold IRA allows individuals to keep gold in their individual retirement account. A custodian is in charge of this, and will help you set up a self-directed account to handle or store the gold. It functions similarly to any other retirement account, giving you complete control over your assets. If you want to invest in physical gold in an IRA, you'll need to create a separate account called a Gold IRA or a precious metal IRA. They are both subject to the same distribution regulations and contribution limitations. They also work almost the same as the traditional retirement account. The difference is that the Gold IRA account stores real bullion, such as gold bars or coins. It also stores other authorized precious metals like palladium, platinum, and silver, rather than paper assets like bonds and equities. Gold equities, stocks, shares of gold production or mining firms, gold ETFs that follow gold indexes, and gold mutual funds that invest in precious metals, stocks, or both, can all be held in a Gold IRA account. To invest in a Gold IRA, first create a self-directed IRA which you may administer directly with a custodian. A financial institution that has been approved by a brokerage, bank, or trust firm serves as the custodian in this situation. You'll also need to choose a bullion dealer to buy real gold for your IRA. Ensure the self-directed IRA you pick allows you to invest in real gold, as not all accounts do. You can set up a self-directed IRA such as a Roth IRA, which allows you to take tax-free withdrawals, or as a normal IRA, which allows you to make tax-deductible contributions. After you've completed these steps, you'll need to fund your Gold IRA account according to the contribution maximum. You can move money between your 401k, 403b, and 457 plans. Next, for your Gold IRA, pick investments and leave the rest to your bullion dealer and custodian. Note that the IRS must authorize actual metals for fineness levels, and you are only restricted to metal coins supplied by particular government mints. What are the advantages of a Gold IRA? A Gold IRA allows you to protect yourself from economic downturns and inflation. It also decreases the risk of being impacted by other types of economic uncertainty, and it is included in a retirement portfolio. It has a low risk factor and has leverage. Gold is also recognized for being a low-risk investment since its value is relatively unaffected by price fluctuations. Unlike a traditional IRA or 401k, where you have very little control over your assets, a Gold IRA allows you to buy, sell, and make your own investing decisions. A Gold IRA can also help you lower your tax burden. Your gold investment is tax-free as long as you don't sell it. If you sell gold, it will be taxed at a rate of around 28% in a taxable account as a collectible. Your investment will be taxed as a short-term gain at standard tax rates if you retain it for a year. The secret is to find a good Gold IRA broker who can walk you through the process and take the hard work out of investing in a Gold IRA. We hope you found this video informative. Please do subscribe to our channel and click the notification button to be informed about future videos.